Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use Image Playground to generate AI avatars. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and type Image Playground and download it from your App Store. Next, open it up, right? And Image Playground allows you to quickly generate AI avatars by combining text prompts with existing photos or generic people models. You can use the standalone app or access it natively across Apple apps like Messages and Freeform. Right? In my case, I use the App Store or Apple. In my case, I'm gonna use a template. So let's say, can you use my name, right, to animate, right? Here's animation, illustration, sketch, Genmoji, ChatGPT, right? Do the same thing with a robot. You can animate a robot, right? Or you can animate me as a robot. You can hit show more, see many templates that you can use to generate images or avatars, AI avatars. So swipe to see the final result. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.